There are so many things to love about this charcuterie set. So first off, this is all bamboo, which I think bamboo is a really fabulous wood for these types of like charcuterie boards. And then these four bowls that come with are ceramic and dishwasher safe. The knife set also has a little bamboo holder, which I think is just really cute. And then each of these knives are stainless steel and also dishwasher safe. So you really can't lose in that way, right? So easy to use, so easy to clean up after. A few things I love about this is that it has so many different configurations. So you have these three big areas here, this one long section, and then these four bowls, which have like cutouts so they can sit nicely in them. But also if you wanted to, you could put your bowls like out on the side, and you could fill each of these spots with something themselves. You could have really like 8 little spots if you wanted to. And then this piece right here, this actually slides in perfectly to this open set. There's a little like finger pole right here. And so when you go to store it, this pops right in there. And then these two pieces fold together. Now here's what's amazing about the storage on this. You might be able to see there's these recessed magnets in here. And there's also some on the other side and on the sides. So when you go to store it, you just like magnet it together, and it's gonna stay nice in your, like with your cutting boards or something, right? So it's just like one unit. And then there's also these magnets on the side, so you can magnet it together like this if you want to arrange your board that way, and they're not just gonna like float around or get pushed, right? So there's so many different options of how you can arrange these, how you can use them. I just think for the quality of this and the price, it's a really great deal. And again, you can use it for charcuterie, but you also can use it for a lot of different things. And I think this is the perfect housewarming gift, or a gift for a bridal shower or something like that, because again, it's not too expensive, it looks really high quality, it is really high quality, and it's a really just like nice simple gift that everyone's gonna be able to use, right? You can use it all the time for formal events, for parties, just around if you're just like making up an afternoon snack and you want to take it on a tray to where you're going. It's honestly so awesome. I use mine all the time. So if you're looking for a starter charcuterie set, I highly recommend this one. I think it's really great.